my name is Crystal. I'm going to show you how to save money and repair cars yourself, ladies. I have here an issue with my car. This will touch here and ground out, and then the whole car shuts down. I can take this out, and I can take the wire. I need to strip it here and get the wires that are touching here that's causing the problem, and then we'll shove it back in there when we're done, and then problem solved. Saved 50 bucks. We can do this, girls.
The sun is shining every day.
I'm going to teach you how to be safe while we complete this operation. So this red, positive, this is where the power's coming in. We're going to disconnect that so that you don't get shocked. Okay, the other side's going to be black and it's going to have a negative right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this bolt. Now there's two different size tools. There's standard and there's metric, metric. Can't find the right size? Here is an adjustable wrench. Very handy. All right, so here we go. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's just that easy, girls. I am woman, hear me roar. Now I'm going to put this rag over this so that this doesn't spark. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to take this, I'm going to twist it so that it'll go in a little bit easier.
The sun is shining every day. Clouds never get in the way for you and me.
This one's already been twisted. Okay. Okay, ladies, this is why we had to replace this. You see the melted metal? We're going to slide these down so that it covers, so we won't have any more grounding issues. This is the main wire right here, and this is the grounding wire right here. Sometimes it can be stubborn. There we go. I'm pushing this down tight as I finish up the screw here. All right, there you go. Changed my cable. So now we're just going to reinstall our power here. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Almost done. We good. We did it. Okay, so now we're going to start the car.
By the sun each morning.
Bye.
Thank you.